Hey my honey buns. So today I'm about to make press-on. You're gonna hear me coming in and out talking through this video, but I'm not gonna talk your ear off. I'll play some music. I'm not perfect, so enjoy the video. So right here I'm just filing the tips of the nails because it's rounded off and I don't want that. I want it to be a sharp edge. And some people say don't file this way, they say file that way, but do whatever works for you, okay? Yeah, you see it? It's sharper than casket sharp. That's all I'm saying. Right here, I'm just going in with the base coat. I'm gonna put it on all 5 nails and then put it under the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So I was attempting to put pink on this nail, but as you can see, I didn't use the mess out of that dang pink. Okay, I have no pink left. So yeah, next video, y'all better remind me to buy some pink gel polish because it just wasn't given. But don't worry, I'm gonna save it. As you can see, just keep watching. Don't be afraid to wipe some fuzz off. If you get fuzz on these nails, it's really gonna break your set. I'm telling you, like no one wants to see fuzz in their nails. So scrape it off with your nail and just redo it, repaint it. You got this. Watching this back, that really irritated me how streaky this was. I don't know why I didn't finish painting it, but maybe I got stage fright knowing y'all was watching me. But this next polish, I really love it because it makes a good, not base coat, but like base polish. So other colors can show up vibrantly. But you'll see that's going to turn into like the drip nail. You'll see, just watch. As you can see, like the thumbnail right here it wasn't working. And I didn't get me on camera putting the pink on that white nail. I don't know why. So just enjoy it. And I'm about to put like a brighter pink to make like a ombre or like airbrush effect. And I also forgot to mention that this is like 2 or 3 coats of each nail later. So make sure you're putting at least 2 to 3 coats of the polish on. And now we're about to create the drip effect. So you get top coat and you get your dotting tool and you just basically put dots, like polka dots. And see, yeah, that made me so mad. You see that hair? That made me so mad. Good thing I'm just practicing, but dang. So I put the nails backwards so they don't touch the other nails, or so my nails don't touch those nails, because I don't want to have to fix it. And if you're anything like me, I struggle with French tip. I literally struggle. I don't know. It was irritating me. Like, I did my best with what I had, and you want to enjoy it. Dang it. Oh, that set me off. Look at that. Oh, that set me off. Oh, that set me clean off. I'm just say clean off because I ain't trying to get in trouble with YouTube. So. Please make sure after every coat of polish you are curing under that lamp for at least 30 seconds. I'm not good with straight lines, but I love art. And when I was in art class in high school, he told me always draw down, and just go fast. I don't know. That was his advice. Looking back, I wasn't even going down, but I tried. I did the best I can with what I got. So to create this 3D effect, you have to get clear acrylic powder and just, do it on top of there. I kept missing it and it was irritating me because you see how I just smacked my whole nail? Yeah. So I'm just going back over this nail with the black to create a cheetah print effect. It's actually really easy. Just get a dotting tool for this whole design, literally. And now I'm just gonna put another coat over the French tip because you don't want a see-through French tip. It's not gonna look good. It's gonna look raggedy. I don't know if you can really see it with this lighting, but that's the little drip bubble effect. I don't know what you want to call it. And that's how the hearts turned out. At this point, I'm just putting top coat on each nail because we're done with the nails at this point. once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a press-on nail giveaway. As you can see right here, I got irritated. I messed up. I didn't care at that point. So this is the end result, and I think it turned out really pretty. It's a pretty pink, cute set. In my next video, I will be doing acrylic press-on. So if you're interested, subscribe for more. Bye, y'all.